Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shopify Metafields in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So if you are ever wanted to add extra custom information to your products, then collection and orders or customers, Metafields are the way to do it. So let's break it all down in a super beginner friendly way. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, what are Shopify Metafields? So Shopify Metafields let you store custom data that Shopify does not include by default. You can use them to add extra product details like ingredients, material, dimensions, and many more like images and videos. Then you can customize product pages with unique information. Also, you can store hidden internal data like supplier codes or custom nodes. They are especially useful for them or theme customization, apps, and advanced filtering. Let's now see how to create and use them. So first of all, I'm going to create an Shopify account for create an website. So I already did it, so I just will log in here. And if you are new in Shopify, you just need to select this create free option. Then you will get this kind of a dashboard panel where you can set up your Shopify store. As you can see, this is our front end view of our website, and we have a couple of products over here. And now I'm going to add some meta fields in this product page. So the process is really simple, and it is like, let's follow the step-by-step guideline. You will identify or understand what was the game going on that place. So first of all, you just need to go over here. Once you come over that place, then you need to visit on products, and here you can see you just need to go onto the name. Once you enter this panel, you will get options under this platform. Here in this section we will get options called meta field, but here unfortunately we don't, so we just need to come back to setting. Once I click over here into the setting, then here we will have bunch of options. Here you can see, so I just need to click on custom events. So you need to find out the options called custom events or custom data. So here you can see we already find out this custom data into the bottom. So here you can see it is the custom data. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see that this called metafield definitions. So if you click on learn more, then here you will get all information about related to metafield. So even once you read it, you will get understand how you can add this metadata on your website. So here you can see we have couple of options called product, then variants, collection, customers, and videos. So I'm going to add another one that will be custom. I'm going to name it video slash by my name, so I can identify it perfectly without any hesitation. There's no descriptions. So I'm going to add field that will be some image or file. So I'm going to click on file, and here you can see we have these options called file, and I'm going to name it video metadata. As you can see, I already named it, and here they are asking for description. You can leave it as it. Then you can see we have this option in the second, that is validation. So you can check this out, require field, or you can leave it as usual. So I'm going to click on add. Once I click over here, now I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here, now we are allowed to add this metadata on our product page easily. So just come back to this page and let's refresh it. Once I click over here into the refresh, then here let's go into the product page and let's find out if the metadata has the options or not. So we need to find out where is the metadata options. So let's search it, meta. Here you can see that meta fields to improve. So if I search it, then here we will get option. Let's click on to suggestion, and here you can see microphone designs, color, variants. Then just click on add custom and search for this. So here we don't have yet, so I will create another product. Here just click on add product, and then scroll down, and here you will see that size, color, and other options. So we need to find out the metadata options first of all, then we are allowed to add it in that place, or we can check this out by visiting the website from that place. So just we need to find out the way we can solve this problem. So here I will come over here and click on customize theme. Once I click over here, it will redirect us to the editing panel where we can edit our product page. So as you can see, this is our product page. So I am going to add a section over that place. Just click on add a section, and here I'm going to add element over that place. Just click on video. Once I click over here video will be added that panel. So just click over that place, and here you can see we have add meta field option. Just click on this and it will redirect us to there. Similarly, I already mentioned this is the option. So I already had some couple of metadata. Just click on, and here you can see this is our meta object definition. So we need to add another one that will be this meta field definition. So just add definition, and here you need to add it one by one. I'm going to check it again. Let's go on to the previous page. So here you can see we already add a metadata again in over that place. You can check this out, product. So basically we make a meta object definition, but we need to make a meta field definition over that place. So here you can see this is our definition. Again, let's visit our shop and let's refresh it. Let's select page and let's try it again. Then you will get these options to add meta field over here. Here as you can see, this is our meta field has been come over here into the product page. So under the product page you need to create your meta field. So I hope you understand. So we did wrong in here. We already make a parent object over that place. That's why it's not available in product page. It is added for whole entire page. So here you just need to click your products. If you want to add this metadata on product, then you need to create this meta field on this products under the products. Then similarly you need to add metadata for blogs. Then here you need to add it. So here once I done, then now eventually I'm getting options. So let's go and let's check it again. So let's go, and here you can see we have this meta field. You are allowed to select your file over that place. So let's select it and let's add a video. I think this image will be okay. Let's go. We already have an existing one, so I'm going to add meta field on this existing one. So here you can see this is the meta field, and I'm going to add a picture over that place. Let's select this one. I think this one will be unique, so I'm going to select this one and let's click on save. Once I click over here, it will be saved on our this product page. Let's refresh it and let's check this out to hard refresh. So there is some issues, so I need to go back in here and then click on this I button, and there's not yet. So because it sometimes happen for technical error into the Shopify store, but I can assure you that it's already changed on the main panel. So now let's go and check with this one. So when I click on customize this product page, then where we can add our metadata in that panel, like extra data on here. So you just need to click on add section. So let's add some image with text, image with banner, whatever you want, you are allowed to add it. So I'm going to choose this one, image with text, and then I'm going to change this direction. So let's go image first, image second, and now it's looked amazing because this one is image first, so I'm going to make it this one image second. So now here you can see we have couple of options in the right corner. Here you can see this, we have this dynamic panel. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, now eventually you can see we can add meta field, and we have this existing meta field called video we already created in the meta field custom data option. So here you just need to choose it, and now you can see our video has been added, or our picture has been added. Like it means our custom data has been added to our product page, and the process is really simple. I give you all the process step by step guidelines and demonstration. I hope you will love this video. If you think this video was knowledgeable and helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button.